Hi, my name's Cliff, Cliff's Custom Floors. This is a common thing, and unfortunately it's common even in new construction. This one was a retrofit to put in plugs for desks in here. They'll come in and with the concrete cutter, they cut the trenches, and then nobody thinks twice about what they're dumping in there. Well, some people do, but most people don't think twice about what product they're going to put in there to fill it. So I've come in on jobs on tight time frames, and they're saying, oh, we'll just cover it up. We'll just go get some Sackcrete and dump it in there. It's like, well, what about our cure time on that? Typical Sackcrete or any concrete is you're looking at a 28-day initial cure. I mean, it's hard within a day or two, but you're 28 plus 28 days per inch. So if it's a 4-inch chunk of concrete, you're looking at about 4 months to 5 months. We have a lot of glues, fast track glues, that's what this particular one we're using, that help to be able to get in while a slab is still curing. But the other thing that happens with a slab still curing is there'll also be shrinkage. And so this slab has just, you could tell how much it has shrunk. And it actually sounds hollow. So when this was done, slabs move, concrete moves. They took slabs that were, and there's not a whole lot of control joints in here, but they took slabs and then they made breakage in it, and then those slabs start moving, and if they don't tie them together right, if they don't use a proper filler in there, well, it's just going to continue to move and shrink. This is, I've seen worse than this, but this is towards the worst of what we see. Cool thing right here is this is an outcome of the cutting of the slab. So the slab moves, so you can tell where they quit cutting, and then this is where the concrete has naturally cracked. And concrete's always moving. So that crack in there is due to the cutting of it, and then the tension changes, and that's something that affects us as installers a lot. People don't like lumps and bumps in their concrete, that's a for sure thing. But at times, as I've seen on other jobs, if it's not properly sealed underneath, if they violate the moisture membrane, most of the slabs nowadays have a membrane. If they're allowing that moisture up, it's just going to create a disaster.